This is the Regal 26XO. Outboard. That's what we'll be looking at. An outboard. Got the power tower. Soft top on it. One engine. Two Garmin displays. Just also you got the head right there.
Yeah, you got the bed seat. I don't know why they do that.
So you might want to keep that. Got your outside area at the top.
Nice.
The sunbathe. Let's see what's down
How the hell you get up there?
in the cabin. Oh, when you close this, you step up here. All right. What do we have down here? The bed. Take out the table, turns into a bed.
26, huh?
Yeah, it's a 26 footer. It's a microwave. It's a range top, sink, refrigerator. It's about the size of a fool or a queen. It's a full head. The sink. Shower.
Shower now?
Yeah, there's a shower head down here. See, it's nice. Did you want to get back down here and see the shower thing?
No, I'm not going to price down this thing. This is cheaper if you talk.
So you got an air conditioning, generator in here. Probably seat about 7 people. I think this chair swivels all the way around right here. The captain's chair. The stairs right there. You want to come on the bow of the boat, sunbathe. Nice. This is the Regal 26XO. Been looking at this boat for a while. Alright, it looks nice. Let's go check out something else.
That's how you get it there?
Yeah.
Like it slides in.
Okay, we're looking at 2024 Crown Line, 28 foot, Twin Mercury 200. I guess you can't beat that right there.
That one didn't have the sun right here either.
Huh?
I mean, this
Yeah.
is Texas.
That's what I'm saying. You got a sink. Now I don't have the rear facing seat right here.
The table.
But he did say it's like a model you can get with it. This seat turns around. So because you have the Twin Mercuries, you can get the joystick. This model doesn't have the joystick. Let's see what they have down in the cabin. Outside of the cabin, you got your bow area with your bathing sun deck. Yeah, so the only thing about this one, so I'm gonna say you got, this one seems just a little more tight than the other one.
But the other one didn't have this, I don't think.
No.
The sink and the cabin.
No, the sink and the thing was on the other side.
What's in there? I mean, you got sink in there, that's just the toilet.
All of this was on the other side. So you got the microwave, Got your little range top. Got your sink. You actually have your refrigerator. You got your forward berth area. You got, it's a sleeping area back there. You can actually look. There. And let's check out actual bathroom. You got your sink, you got your head. And this head is additionally a shower right here. So you just pull this out.
Oh, okay.
You should have somewhere up here to actually put this. And you got your shower curtain right here.
You just got a drain in the floor, I guess. Right?
Yeah. Put that back in there. Oh, some water came out of it. Oh, some good stuff.
What's in there? Oh, yeah, train. Yeah.
So for a weekend trip, you can bring your food and your cooler with the drinks. You got your refrigerators. You got a sink up top, sink down bottom. So I'm liking this
Sleeping
Crown
quarters a little
Prince.
tighter.
Huh?
Sleeping quarters just a little tighter than the other one was.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. So I'm gonna check out like the in between this and the 30-foot. Just to see the differences, everything, the price and everything. But yeah. All right. So you can't beat this.
Being a cat, like that.